Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a lotus flower diagram. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of ideation. It got the following characteristic. It is a technique of creativity that consists of deducing ideas or themes from one initial locate in the center. Ideas arise from the center like a flower petals. It consists on one of definition of a diagram in which the ideas arise from the center, where the initial idea is located. Around the ideas are written down or concepts associated with. So the resulting diagram resembles a flower. We write the initial challenge on the center as a theme in the diagram, and we start thinking in ideas or ways to apply those related initial challenge or central them with a form of a circle. This tool is used in the ideation stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. So the lotus flower diagram is a very interesting tool basically for ideation. It helps a lot and it's very easy. So the first thing is that you need to develop this preferably in groups, and you need to choose a moderator, someone who will be guiding the session. We know with all the different components and telling what to do. It's important to make it in group. It will be very hard to do it by yourself, so I strongly recommend that you do it this with a group. And you can do it digital or analog. It's really depending on what you feel more comfortable. If you want to do it analog, you need to have a big piece of paper, markers, maybe post-its. So the way to use this tool, this matrix, is very easy. Here you will have different post-its, and the idea here is that you, in the letter A, you put the main topic. With the main topic, you start putting all the categories B, C, D, like this. And then you take this category, you put it in the center, and you start ideating with this, then C, D, E, F, G, H, and Y. And that it's very important because you will be creating at least 8 options for each one of these situations. It's very important to have different colors so you don't get confused, because if you put everything in the same color, it will be very hard to differentiate. So I'm going to show you an example. So here the topic is buy a car. The categories are warranty, energy, how much energy they have, equipment, budget, if it's safe, safety, brand of the car, space part, and if it's new or if it's already used. So here we start new or used. We start writing the different ideas, the good things about new cars, the bad things about new cars, the good things about used cars, the bad things about cars. Then we go with warranty. Do they have a warranty? How much it takes? How much it covers? How long? Everything. Then we go with energy. How much energy is this a hybrid car? If it's just fuel, what kind? Or is electric? How is it? Then the equipment. What do they have? They have air condition, well, heat, whatever they got, the electric windows, everything. Then budget. How much money do I have to purchase my car? And that is something very important, because I can say, okay, I have 10,000, but maybe I can go until 1100. That's also possible, or no, that's my top, and I can go from there. So write pros and cons and idea. Safety. If it's a safe car, you can read reviews, watch videos to know if that is safe or not. The run is extremely important, because it's not the same to buy a car that have a goodwill that is very well known, or something that you really don't know. And of course, if the car get damaged or got to be repaired, you can find the parts. Yes, not. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give it a like, and turn on the bell so you can have the remember that we have a new video um, every week. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the exercise, you must have an analyze the result clear about the situation study. The more specific, the much better analyze. I recommend using this tool for situation complex and preferable in group. That is something very important. If it's something easy, don't use this tool because it will be very hard to narrow it down. But if it's something complex, this tool will help you a lot. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available in our platforms. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.